How to delete profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your profile picture on Facebook Lite. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So to basically delete our profile picture on Facebook Lite, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook Lite application. The issue here is quite simple. If you're on your profile page over here and then you'd like to delete your profile picture from the Facebook Lite app, so you basically open it up and then you tap on see profile picture, but then if you tap the three dots option, you can see that there is no option to delete that particular profile picture. So what if I want to delete that profile picture? So to delete that, you have to scroll down and then just look for the option known as photos that you'd be able to find here. Then once you tap on the photos, go to profile pictures. Now select your current and existing profile picture. Now when you tap the three dots option, now you'll find the option to delete it, and now you can just tap the delete button to tap on the delete option, and your profile picture will get successfully deleted on Facebook Lite. This way you can delete your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.